Today we are here to share some very important aspect of terrorism being sponsored and being supported by Pakistan in Kashmir Valley to disrupt the peace and the harmony, especially the desperate attempts on Pakistan's behalf or Pakistan's part after 5th of August. In this, as you are aware, Pakistan is desperate to infiltrate maximum terrorists into Kashmir Valley. All the launch pads as of now are full and infiltration attempts are being made every day to infiltrate the terrorists into Kashmir Valley to disrupt peace. In one such attempt, on 21st of August, we have apprehended 2 Pakistani nationals, 2 पाकिस्तान के बशिंदे जो लश्कर तोयबा से ताल्लुकात रखते हैं, 2 Pakistani citizens who belong to proscribed terrorist outfit Lashkar Toiba were apprehended live by the Indian Army. I would be showing you the videos of these 2 gentlemen, and thereafterwards we would be taking any questions which you have. Can we have the videos, please?
साल हो गया और मैं पाकिस्तान और पूरी जिंदगी छोड़ से आया हूँ। गाँव मेरा बंद है और मैं मुजाहिदीन का काम करता हूँ लश्कर तोयबा के साथ। और फिर मैंने ट्रेनर एक आके की काजिरबाद में की है और मेरे साथ मजीद उसने भी एक ही दिन काम शुरू किया अपने ट्रेनर। 4-5 साल हो गए हैं मैंने। और उसके बाद हमने प्लानिंग बनाई है कि हम बॉर्डर क्रॉस करके जाएंगे और आगे दोनों मुजाहिदीन और दूसरे मुजाहिद के बाद वो भी उनके साथ भी तैयार थे 3-4 और उनका नाम मैं बताना चाहता हूँ। शबीर, वकार, नायक आसफ और सफाई खलील और उसके साथी जो है, मेरे साथी जो है वो है नूर से मंदीर शोएब और उसके साथी जो है।
मेरा नाम मोहम्मद नजीम, उम्र 20 साल। मेरे वालिद साहब का नाम मोहम्मद आरफ खान। मैं पाकिस्तान के शहर पंजाब फैक्ट्री से तलब रखता हूँ। मैं एक मुजाहिद हूँ। मैं लश्कर तोयबा से तलब रखता हूँ। मैंने लश्कर तोयबा से ट्रेनिंग हासिल की। मेरे साथ मुबशिर, मुसीर और खलील ने भी कांचीगुड़ा में ट्रेनिंग की। हमारा साथ नायक नदीम। हमारा पीछे वाला ग्रुप एलसी के पीछे था। हमने मिलकर हमला घुसपैठ करना था। हमारे साथ पाकिस्तान फौज के नायक आसिफ भी शामिल थे। मैं और खलील पकड़े गए। आप भी कांचीगुड़ा में 10 से 15 मुजाहिद पाक आर्मी की मदद से हिंदुस्तान को घुसपैठ और हमले की फिराक में हैं।
Ladies and gentlemen, these 2 videos very clearly show how Pakistan, the Pakistan Army and the citizens of Pakistan are being pushed into Kashmir Valley to undertake the terrorist activities inside the Kashmir Valley to disrupt the peace which is prevailing, especially after 5th of August. With this introductory remarks, I would now request Mr. Munir Khan, ADGP Law and Order, to give his introductory remarks. Thereafterwards, we would be open to your questions if you have any. Thank you.
The infiltration attempts are being continuously made, not only from Gulmarg sector but from elsewhere also. And many such attempts have been filed by Indian Army so far. Now, as far as the law and order thing is concerned, since 5th of August this year, One thing which we have ensured, and touch wood, we have been very successful in that no civil casualty in any law and order action has taken place, and the credit goes to all the forces who are operating on ground, whether it be CRPF, J&K Police, SSB, and so many other forces. Orders and instructions are very clear that we have to avoid any kind of civil casualties, and we are adhering to that. Things are improving gradually, and hopefully things must fall in place and normalcy will return very soon. After these remarks, if you have any questions to ask, please.
First of all, like I said in my opening remarks, Pakistan occupied Kashmir. All the launch pads across the line of control are as of full with the terrorists of various tanzims. Pakistan is attempting every night and day, in assistance with Pakistan army posts which are there on the line of control. Even these two terrorists who have been captured, they were also housed at the Pakistani forward post of the army, and then they were being guided by the Pakistani regular troops up to the line of control. As the terrorist in his own statement has already told you. So all the launch pads across the line of control, not only opposite Kashmir, but also opposite Poonch, Rajouri and Jammu, are full of terrorists of various tanzims, and every day and night the terrorist activities of infiltration are being attempted. As you are aware, few of them have been neutralized on the line of control, including an incident where 5 to 7 of Pakistani regulars, oblique terrorists, were lying dead on the line of control for a number of days. The hotline message was sent to the DGMO to pick up the bodies of the Pakistani citizens, which they refused to. It's nothing new. In Kargil, they refused to take back the bodies of their soldiers. In this incident, they refused to take back the bodies of their citizens. And now we even have the live terrorists who are Pakistani citizens with us. DGMO of Indian Army has already conveyed it to the DGMO of Pakistan that these individuals, the terrorists on their side, are in our control. And coming down to the point about launch pads, the number of launch pads is immaterial. The number of terrorists who are in the launch pad and who are ready to launch, that is what is more important. And I can tell you, without going into the details, all the launch pads are as of now full with terrorists ready to be launched into Kashmir to disrupt peace. After that, your question was, what are the ammunition and all recovered from them? Yes, the warlike stores and some ID material which can be used for making IDs and blowing it up were recovered from these people. And lastly, your point about anti-terrorist operations in the hinterland. Anti-terrorist operations are going on. There is no let-up or no stoppage of anti-terrorist operations in the hinterland. As you are aware, even in the last 30 days, the terrorists have been killed, oblique apprehended within the valley as such. So there is no let-up on the anti-terrorist operations. I would request if Mr. Munir Khan wants to add something to it.
When we talk of anti-militancy operations, and you said it is because of blockade of the cell phones that operations are not being carried out that effectively. It's not true. Maybe the style of anti-militancy operations has changed, and you will be, at least I am pleased to know and pleased to tell you that we are getting more of the surrenders, and we have got lot many surrenders during this period. And when a local garrison surrenders, it is, I think, is greater success than getting encounters. So we are working on those lines also, and we are getting good success in that. Nothing to worry on that count that operations are not happening. Operations are happening, and good operations are happening.